Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I will be giving you another idea of what you can do and how you can decorate your home, your event for Christmas or New Year's, so whatever you will decide. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Go ahead and check it out. Also, don't forget my Amazon storefront where you can find every single item that I use for my videos. Link will be in the description under this video as well. Without any further ado, let's go. I am starting this setup with Else Paper Boutique on Etsy. So this is the shop. This shop has so many templates for your mosaics. It's incredible. Go check it out. So I decided to go for this deer template. Keep in mind, one template comes in 4 sizes: 4 5 feet, 4 3 and 2 feet tall mosaics. So buy it, download to your computer and print a size of a mosaic that you need for your setup. I already printed my templates. I have 5 4 and 3 feet tall mosaics here. Let's tape everything together. Repeat this 2 more times and cut them out. To trace my reindeer on foam boards, I got these foam boards at Walmart. These are Ross brand, not the store, because I had people commenting telling me, why are you saying that? You got them at the Ross. No, this is just the brand of foam boards. I am not a big fan of these foam boards. There are better quality foam boards out there. I will try to link it in the description under the video. The ones that I love, they are flimsier than the ones that I like to use for my templates for my mosaics. Let's trace them out with pencil and we'll go to cutting. I am done tracing my biggest reindeer. I am grabbing my X-Acto knife and cutting board. I am using only X-Acto knife. I am not using any rulers. If you're gonna cut straight lines in your mosaics, please use metal rulers. They are the best for something like this. Trust me, I've cut so many plastic rulers with my X-Acto knife, so metal rulers is the way to go. They will be linked in the description under this video as well. To get nice and straight cuts, you need to apply a lot of pressure and cut in one continuous line. Okay, poked it, and now applying a lot of pressure, taking my time. It doesn't have to be so quick, and continuing to cut in one continuous line. And here you have it. All right, good start. I like it. Everything is cut out. Now we need to glue all the pieces together with hot glue gun. You guys, I have to confess that this part of the template is the hardest to cut out, just because there's a lot of curves and turns that makes it very difficult to cut them out. They're done and looking very nice. It wasn't easy to cut out, but in my opinion, it's absolutely worth it. Now I want to spray paint them. I'm not sure what color yet, either silver or gold. I'll decide very soon. Since I'm still deciding which color I want to paint my reindeer, I decided to set them aside, think a little more, and deal with balloons. So here are the colors that I will be working with today. Sempertex, these are Reflex Violet. These are 11-inch balloons. I also have 5-inch balloon bag. I have black, navy blue, or sapphire blue, sapphire blue, and evergreen from Tuftex. I will be double stuffing my balloons. I want this beautiful rich color out of these balloons. So I'm putting a black balloon on a simple skewer, dowel, whatever you have. A pencil will work. Black first, grabbing my sapphire blue and putting the blue right on top of the black, taking it off, and here I have a double stuffed balloon. I am also doing the same thing with my evergreen balloons. Black first, evergreen on top, and double stuffed is ready. I won't be double stuffing my violet, reflex violet balloons. I will be keeping them single stuffed. I have 17-inch balloons pre-double stuffed already. I also have some of the 24-inch balloons pre-stuffed in both colors, and I also already pre-double stuffed my 11-inch balloons as well. Now let's go and inflate them. To inflate double stuffed balloons is very easy. I am using my electric balloon pump from LP Balloons. I will link it in the description under this video. This is Zoom. I am grabbing two 11-inch balloons in emerald green, and I am inflating my balloons. I inflated my balloons into different sizes. Now I am pressing them against the table to give them more rounder shape. I am tying my balloons together into a pair, just like this, as close as possible, because we'll need these next to construct our balloon garland a little bit later. To inflate double stuffed balloons, there's actually a trick. If your double stuffed balloons don't want to inflate, there is a solution. So you put your balloon on top of your nozzle, you pinch 2 layers of latex, and while inflating the balloon, you need to pull your balloons upwards. That will help to stretch your latex. So let me show you. Nozzle, pinch, pull, inflate. I'm grabbing my first 2 pairs of balloons and intertwining them together. Nice and tight. 1 more pair and adding into the squad of balloons. All right, I feel like I want to work with smaller clusters of balloons just because it's a double layer of latex, and sometimes it will get a little bit too hard to intertwine double stuffed balloons like 4 pairs together. Too much tightness, and I don't want to rip or pop my balloons. So I will be working with smaller clusters of balloons. I will be adding some of the 17-inch balloons into clusters. I will be doing exactly the same thing with every single color. Why am I doing this? I don't know. With this wall behind me, I need to get rid of it first and then inflate new balloons. So I need to demolish this first. Let's go. Anyway, you guys, you don't have to tie 2 layers of latex in your necks. You just grab the inner layer of your balloons and tie them together. Sometimes tying 2 layers of latex is very difficult, so just tie 1 layer of latex. Aw, you guys, I like this color better. That's what I was going for. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with this color. Oh my word. This blue is like out of this world. I am in love. You guys must try. Balloons are inflated. I am ready to start constructing, but you guys, I wanted to show you, this is Tuftex black balloons. So what is happening here? So many ripped, so many holes in them, and I didn't inflate all of the 17-inch balloons. Most of the holes are in 17-inch balloons. What is happening? To construct our balloon garland, I am grabbing my clusters of balloons and looking for that neck inside. I know we double stuffed the balloons, so you don't have to tie your balloons with 2 layers of latex. You just grab inner layer, inner neck of your balloon from one cluster, inner neck of balloon from the other cluster, and tie them together. All right, it's looking nice and really pretty. Now I will be doing this until I'll be happy with the length of my balloon garland, or whatever I'll decide. Maybe I'll go with like clusters and I'll be attaching it to my Christmas tree. I haven't decided yet. We'll see what I'll come up with. I'm pretty happy with the length of my base, with what I have. So I'm grabbing my fishing line and tying my balloon garland to my Christmas tree. Balloon garland on my tree, it's secured. Now it's time to create. So let's see what is going to be created. And this is going to be my final setup. I really like what I see. You can transform this setup into Christmas and also into New Year's setup. If you would remove all the poinsettias and all the reds, it would look more like a setup for New Year's, in my opinion. A little bit more poinsettias in there and it's Christmas. I really like the quality of these balloons, except Tuftex black 17-inch balloons. Lots and lots of holes, lots and lots of rips. I don't know what was happening, but those are my least favorite in this setup. You can absolutely spray paint your reindeer with any other color that you want, suitable for your event. I decided to keep them white so they can stand out against all the dark colors in the back. That uplighting that I set up in the back kind of brightened everything up a little bit more, and overall I really like it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I inspired you to decorate your space with balloons. If I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. They always help more than you think. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day and I will see you back very soon. Bye!